Good morning, good morning, good morning. Out here in Industrial Park in Vista, California, a company gave us a call, and we're at a warehouse out here off of Sycamore, and this is what we're doing today. Bunch of office space. Someone passed away. Property owners are regaining back their piece of property and going to renovate it and get it ready for the next person. Yep. This is what we're doing today. A&N Coastal Hauling and Demolition. Licensed, bonded, workers' comp. Got everything going on these days. We're here for you guys. Give us a call, 619-647-8154. You guys have a beautiful day. God bless.